see how to draw flower. First, you have to draw circle like this. Circle. First draw curve line for the circle, then again from the right side circle. Okay, then second step, you have to draw circle, then in the center draw one more small circle and draw like this type of lines. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8 lines. Okay, then you draw like this type from this line. Okay, draw like this type of curve. Okay, in the same way draw like this, repeat again in the same way. Okay, again like this, then again like this, join this line, then again from here to here join this line, then again from here to here. Okay, join this line, then again like this. Okay, so and you can erase this unnecessary lines which you have draw a circle now, that you will erase. Okay, unnecessary lines, and draw from here to down slightly curve line. Okay, bend this line. Okay, like this, then here from here draw leaf. Okay, like this, then in the leaf draw center part. Okay, line, then like this, 1 2 okay, 3 4 5 6 lines. Okay, draw. Okay, if you want to draw more leaf, you can draw from this part also. Okay, leaf, right side and left side you can draw 2 leaf. Okay, so you will get like this type of flower. Nice flower comes in the nature. Flower comes in the nature. नेचर मतलब प्रकृति में आता है फ्लावर, है ना, प्राकृतिक चीज़ है ना, नेचुरल है. सो हाउ यू हैव टू ड्रॉ फ्लावर. फर्स्ट ड्रॉ सर्कल, देन one more circle on the center, then draw slanting line. Lines means okay, then curve line. In the same way you will repeat and repeat. You will get flower shape, and from the flower you draw curve line, slightly curved line, top to bottom. Then you draw leaf, right hand side or draw left hand side. You can draw 2 leaves or 1 leaf sufficient. Okay, so you will get and erase this unnecessary lines, and you will get nice flower. Okay, again. Okay, now I am going to teach you how to fill color in the flower. So here in the flower shape I will fill red color. Okay, You can fill any color like orange, light blue, purple, okay, yellow. So it is depend on your choice. Okay, here I am filling red color like this. Okay, like this. Okay, fill properly. Okay, like this. Okay, we call these petals. Okay, petals, flower petals. Instead of red color, you can fill yellow color, orange color, purple color, peach color. Flower should be colorful, na? Pink color. Okay. But all petals are in the same color, should be in same color. Sorry. Okay, fill slowly, and in the same way you fill color. I hope you are understanding how to fill color. Okay, like this. Now in the center part I am going to fill yellow color. Yellow color here I am filling. Always in the center part of the flower, yellow or brown color you can fill. Okay, yellow or brown color you can use for the center part. Then here I am taking green color, dark green color. Okay, so in the leaf you will fill green color like this. Okay, green color. Here also you can make outline with the green color. Okay, after drawing, after draw the curve line, you can color with the green. Okay, draw outline with the green color. Okay, like this. Okay, now you can make outline with the black pencil or black color sketch pen. Okay, like this. Okay, understood? Okay, like this. Okay, if you want to draw here on the left side leaf, you can draw. Okay, like this type. Okay, like this type. like this type leaf. Okay. And you can fill color in this also. In this leaf also you can fill color. Like this. Okay. Now with the black sketch pen, here I am doing with the pencil only. You can do with the black sketch pen. Okay, you can make bright. Okay, you can make dark. Okay, with the sketch pen. Dark you can make like this. Okay, I hope you understood how to draw flower and how to fill color in the flower. Thank you.